Welcome to Web-TechServices Help. In this short guide, we'll walk through joining partner webinars. The Webinars tab lists upcoming live sessions, training, onboarding, and strategy calls you can join. Live learning is powerful because you get the latest proven tactics in real time. Browse the schedule to see what's coming up next. Picking sessions that match where you are right now means every minute you spend learning goes straight toward growing your income. Registering takes a single click. We'll save your spot and remind you, so it's effortless to lock in time that could meaningfully boost your results. The biggest benefit of attending live? You can ask your questions and get answers on the spot. That direct access can save you weeks of figuring things out on your own. Webinars are also where we share what's working right now. Staying current keeps you ahead of other partners. And that edge translates into more signups and more earnings. Go ahead and register for the next session today. An hour of live training is one of the fastest, easiest ways to level up your partnership and your paycheck. That's it. Up next, getting support. Let's keep going.